Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. Today we're working on a Grand Design Reflection. It's a 303 RLS, and I just want to go back to show you that we had another one that ended up having the paneling damage. Terry's already fixed the other side. I'm not sure if we're replacing the sheet metal or if we're just going to straighten it out and put it back in, but they're not too overly complicated to fix. So yesterday we received a call from a dealership, and we were help advising them, and we've done different repairs, but without getting too crazy, because we're trying to be mindful of people's pocketbooks. So basically it's like, hey, Terry came in here and he added a bracket with some screws, and then he added some really long basically self-tapping lags, and went clear through into the floor, into the solid meat of the actual steel that's in there behind all the aluminum. And so he's done that on a few areas, as you can see, added them in a bracket. He also added some different screws underneath the molding in through it. And then he grabbed it this morning and shook it for me to say, hey, look, it's not moving at all. So anyways, if you have a problem with this and the back J metal's coming loose, or you think the walls popped loose or broken, give us a holler and we'll get you fixed up. Thanks so much for watching.